3, 2, 1. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, we got some goodies today. We about to install. I'm gonna do an install on the, you know what I'm saying, stealth license plates. Hey man, big shout out to my girl, man. My girl got these for me, man. Huge shout out to my girl. We got the plate off, so I'm gonna do a little install for y'all. Stealth license plates. Let's see if they really work. Listen, I am not sponsoring no illegal-ish with these plates. You know, these are purposely for, you know, taking, you know, you display your car, you take pictures, you know, you go to car meets and all that other good stuff. You know, if you don't subscribe to me, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You dig? So we're gonna do the install. I got a couple of requests of doing these installs because I posted these on my Instagram that my girl got me, and I'm finally doing the install. So if you don't already follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I always update about what I'm gonna post on YouTube or what I did post on YouTube and all that other good stuff. So we're gonna add another mod to the 5.0. So if you have a back bumper, your license plate is in your back bumper on the lower part. Some of them are easy, some of them are right here. That's way easier. These, you have to, yes, you have to drill the hole, but for me, I didn't drill it in my actual bumper. I drilled it in the little adapter piece because I am going to end up changing these out, getting the Shelby ones. So as you can see, you're not going to be able to see that hole at all because the hole, you know, is right there, so it feeds right into that connection to that and all that other good stuff. So once you take that off, you know, you can drill a hole, and then from the hole feed the wire underneath your exhaust. I can show you guys how I have it. So let's see. Let me turn the light on for y'all. I'm recording on the iPhone. So what I did was it drops down right there, and you know, this is the trunk. This right here is the trunk, so you're not gonna burn your cord or none of that other good stuff. And then from there, I fed it into that hole right there. The hole was, you see that hole next to it? That hole was already there, and I drilled that hole next to it. And then from right there, from there, where your spare tire is, that hole pops up right here. And then from there, you can feed it on the side where I advise to get zip ties. Zip ties will clean this up, but at the same time, you're not going to be able to touch this. This is right next to the, I don't know what the hell this is, honestly. I would say like my back lights or something like that. Don't gas me in the comments because I don't know. So from right there, I fed it, following the same line. Then outline my card. Fed it through here. Then start putting it down the side. Right here. Tucked it behind the seatbelt. Tucked it behind the seatbelt, put it through here. It's going underneath there. It's going underneath this. Tucked it under there. Coming right through here. Going through here. And stop. I stop right here, but I'm not sure what I want to place this at. I don't know if I want to have it in the center console. I want to put it, like hide it somewhere on here, on this side, or inside of here. I think that'll be dope inside of here. That'll be like some low-key stuff. But, yeah, so that's how you feed this. That's how I install for the back one. The back one is going to be the hardest one. but I thought it wasn't that hard. It wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. Literally, all I did was drill this hole right here, and just keep on feeding the wire, because the wire is pretty long. It reaches from here to all the way to the front. Just keep on feeding it till it starts to drop underneath here. From there, you can just feed it up to the hole you want to feed it out to your trunk. But I advise you to make sure you know where your gas tank is, because I don't want to be responsible for any of y'all drilling holes in your gas tank on accident. Oh, DJ Chris told me to drill it right there. Nah, I told you to check your manual, go online, and make sure you know where your gas tank is before you drill any holes. All right, so now we got that one up there. We're gonna put the plate on my camera with the tripod set up and shit. So hopefully y'all can see me and shit. So now that you done that, have all this, you can put, for the back, you can put your plate on. Alright, so you got the plate on inside screwed in. So now you can put on the hidden, and then put the screws. So it's not just closed and you can just open it up, like, you know what I'm saying? There's screws that you could there's 2 screws, and there's like a little lever part you screw in underneath them, so it's like still closed. So it's screwed on here. Those inside this little box or whatever, the plate is holding it closed, and then under here it's holding it closed. So you ain't gotta worry about your stuff falling out or somebody messing with your stuff. You feel me? Obviously, this is my real plate. Just using this to show an example for y'all. After that, you know, let's the box. Plug this thing in. We're just gonna plug it in to see. So I'm just plugging in here for right now. It's the little box or whatever. Focus. It has a B and an A. Whatever one you want, you can put it in either B or A. So hold on. So I'm gonna put it in the B for back. Hopefully this works. It's plugged in and everything. I'm gonna shut the tripod back up. Ready? Here go the button. This is a little remote. Some light, you know what I'm saying? It's hidden. It has, let's see if it focus. So basically it has A, B, and C. C closes both of them, front and back. B closes just B, the back one, and A closes the front one. But you know what I'm saying, we ain't gonna, some people I guess want to close either way. But we gonna say if it works. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Bro, that is wet. That is wet. Bro, oh my God, this is dope. That's wet. Oh, I wonder how far. That's wet. I wonder how far. Oh, it has a little antenna on it. Fuck. Bruh, hold on. I wonder if it reaches this far. It does. What the fuck? How far does it reach? Okay, look. We this far now. Hold on. I'm gonna try to zoom in this motherfucker. Let's see if it'll pop up. See? Alright, I'm about to press it. Oh, it still works. What the? That's crazy. Hey, these are dope as hell, man. Shout out to my girl, for real, for real. Man. This is, hey man, shout out to my girl. I ain't gonna lie, man. Shout out to my girl, man. This is pretty dope. This is dope. This is beyond dope. I can press this button all damn day. That is dope. That is, hold on. Look. You know what? We gonna test it out. We gonna see how far it can reach. Look. We all the way over here. We over here. My car's over there. Okay. We're gonna zoom in on the camera. We're gonna zoom in. I don't know how far my camera can zoom in. So we're gonna fake us. Okay, y'all see it's yellow. Alright. Pressing the button in 3, 2, 1, now. Oh my God. How does it reach that far? What the hell? So pretty much, I already put the front one on. I got it wired into my glove box and then plugged into the cigarette lighter, and then the wires feeding up here. Got it going through my engine compartment. It's coming up through there, going and feeding there, and going into there, into the dash. Oh, can't show the license plate. Let me close that bitch. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, yeah, the engine, but you know, that is the install on it. Time to go play, time to go out. Hope you guys enjoyed this